All players, sabutan ninyo. Bola sa. Dili pa day, way klaro ni referee ay. Nakuha si number 12. Number 12 layup, not good. Rebound by dribbling the ball. Dribbling the ball. Ni Honat pass to number 14. Number 14 good for 2 points. Number 14. 2-0. Pabor sa highway. 9 minutes and 45 seconds remaining time. Import good for 2 points. Laura. 9 minutes and 35 seconds remaining time. Dribbling the ball. Pass on number 22. Number 22. Good for 2 points. Number 22. Number 29. Intercept by number 14. Number 14. Iya na lang but not good. Rebound by number 22. Good for 2 points. Number 22. Quarter size. Size na. Iya lang yaman. Good for 2 points. Number 14. Laura dribbling the ball. Laura dribbling the ball. Pass to number intercept by number 13. Pass to number 22. Intercept by number 29. 25 day. Number 25 dribbling the ball. Nakuha ni number 22. Pass to number 14. Wara pass coming from 25. 25 ito? 22 day. 22 to 14. Gestos Pabor sa highway. 8 minutes. Number 31 dribbling the ball. Number 31 dribbling the ball. Guarded by number 25. Pass on number 14. 14 seconds to shoot, but not good. Rebound by number 25. Number 25 dribbling the ball. Pantay ya rep. Number 25. Ano lang minor lang part. Pito go for 3. Pag-seren and score. CTGs Pabor sa highway. 8 minutes and 5 seconds. Drop. There's a whistle. Who's foul? Rep. Number pila? 25. 27. Opening time of the first quarter. Number 14 dribbling the ball. Guarded by number 12. Pass to number out of bounds. Pula sa highway. Ang score G6 remaining time. Number 14 dribbling the ball. Guarded by number 7. Wah, ginailaing golo. Kuha na ball. Pull up, not good. Rebound by number 23. Number 23 guarded by Bre. Nakuha ni number 12. Number 12, Laura. Not good. Rebound by number 7. Good for 2 points. Number 7, Jace Navy. Pabor sa highway. There's a whistle. Who's fouled? Bola sa La Joshua. Entering the court. Dribbling the ball. Gitrawing pagkabo. Wala mo. Coming from break. And one who's fouled? Number 21. Woodlong. Bonus throw. Ready for rebound. Good for 1 point. Number 14. Highlight ito. Number 7 dribbling the ball. Gili up. Ako na lang. Good for 2 points. Number 7. Number 14 dribbling the ball. Guarded by number 13. Whoop, out of bounds. Pula sa Udlo. Number 7 dribbling the ball. 5 minutes and 40 seconds remaining time in the first quarter. Number 7 dribbling the ball. Guarded by Bre. Intercept by number 31. Pass to Bre. Good for 2 points. Number 14. So long. 13 of 15, 11. Pabor sa highway. Nato dua kita yo rim block by, but there's a whistle foul by number 22. First personal foul, first team foul. Highway. 15 seconds remaining time for the first quarter. 15-11. Pabor sa highway. First throw. Not good. Second throw. Ready for rebound. Good for 1 point. Number 23. 15-12. Pabor sa highway. 5 minutes and 10 seconds remain out of bounds. Pula highway. Number 12, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 25. Number 25, dribbling the ball, guarded by number 21. Pass to number 7. Number 7, nakita kapasahan. 12 seconds to shoot. Up, there's a whistle. Kick ball, pula sa highway. 4 minutes and 30 seconds remaining time for the first quarter. 15-12, pabor sa highway. Number 22, dribbling the ball, pass to number 21. Number 21, guarded by number 12. Ako lang side step, pass to number 14. Whoop, there's a whistle. Traveling by Ulacan, committed by number 14. Bula sa Odlo. 4 minutes and 13 seconds remaining time for the first quarter. Number 7, guarded by pass to number 12. Intercept by number 22. Number 22 nga nagdali. Whoop, there's a whistle, foul by number 12. First personal foul, Woodlum. 3 minutes and 59 seconds remaining time for the first quarter. First throw. Not good. 15-12, pabor sa highway. Second throw, ready for rebound. Good for 1 point. Number 22, 16-12, pabor sa highway. Number 25, dribbling the ball, guarded by Bre. Number 25, pass to number 12. Number 12, there's a whistle, foul by number 31. First personal foul, second team foul, highway. 3 minutes and 48, 16-13, 16-12, pabor sa highway. Out of bounds, pula sa highway. Number 31, pass to number 14, back to number 21. Number 21, dribbling the ball, guarded by Erlora. Erlora, intercept by Erlora. Pass to, intercept again. Nakuha ni number 69. Tuad to Ali, tigwanggat, but not good. There's a whistle, foul by number 7. Second personal penalty, highway. Odlom, I mean. First throw, good. Second throw, ready for rebound. Second throw, ready for rebound. Not good. Rebound by jump ball, pula sa highway. Ibalik ulit. Number 21, pass to number 14. Pass to intercept by number 23. Pass to number 12. Number 12, nakabuhi. Nakita kapasahan. Pass to number 23. 23, pull up jumper, puts it in and score. Counted. Foul number 22. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Counted. Wala ba penalty? Counted, same ball. Number 7, dribbling the ball. Number 23. Number 23, step back, pull up, Kobe. Kita to. Kobe. Numbers, ang score, 17-16. Pabor sa highway, 2 minutes and 40 seconds. What a pass coming from 31, but not good. Rebound by number 14. Number 14, his spin move, puts it up, not good. Whoop, out of bounds, pula sa highway. Simol. Whoop, there's a whistle. Out of bounds. 8 seconds to shoot. Number 22, pull up. Not good. Rebound by number Erlora. Number 13, sugbok up. Plus to number 25. Number 25, pull up. Pitugo. Not good. Rebound. Iya lang yapon. Number 25, pull up. Ako na lang. Kobe again. Not good. Rebound by number 21. Number 21, guarded by number 23. Number 21, dribbling the ball. 1 minute and 50 seconds remaining time. Now, whoop, there's a whistle. Number 12. And number 12 foul to Watson. Second personal foul, penalty situation. First throw. Not good. Good for 1 point. Number 31. 18-16. Pabor sa highway. Number 31. Pull up. Bula Dire. Number 7. Dribbling the ball. Nakita ka pasan. Paso Tuwason. Tuwason. Intercept by Pre na dali. Jelly. Good for 2 points. Number 14. 1 minute and 13 seconds remaining time. Number 22. Number 23. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 7. Now pass to number 25. Number 25. Block by number 14. Kuha na number 22. Pass to number 69. Number 69. Aliyop, but not good. Rebound by Pre. Pass to number 22. Ala, oy, but not good again. Rebound by number 29. 69. Rebound by Laura. Laura plus to number 7. Number 7. Nagdali. Intercept by number 14. Number 14. Dribbling the ball. Layup. Philip. Good for 2 points. Number 14. Air Laura. Dribbling the ball. Guarded by number 31. Not good. Rebound by number 23. Good for 2 points. Number 23. 25 seconds remaining time. Number 21. Dribbling the ball. 20 seconds remaining time. Uy, nakalusot. Good for 2 points. Number 31. 15 seconds remaining time. Intercept again by Jelly again. 10 seconds remaining time. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 seconds. 2 seconds remaining time. 1. And the first quarter, 28-18, pabor sa Highway. Number 21, dribbling the ball, guarded by number 12. Number 21, guarded by number 12. Pass to number Dodot Porto, out for 3, not good. Rebound by number 69. Number 69, nagdali, not good, but there's a whistle. Who's foul, rep? Number 25. Second personal foul, first foul, Udlo. First throw. Good. Second throw, ready for rebound. Highway. Two. Second throw. Second throw, ready for rebound. Good. 30-18, pabor sa Highway. 9 minutes and 43 seconds remaining time for the second quarter. Number 23, dribbling the ball, guarded by number 6. No. Pass on number 23, dribbling the ball, 15 seconds to shoot. Number 12 for 3, puts it in and score. 21-30, pabor sa Highway. 9 minutes and 20 seconds remaining time for the second quarter. Number 6, pull up, not good. Rebound by number 69. Pass to number 6 again, but there's a whistle. Foul by number 25. Substitution. In out in. Third personal foul, second team foul, Woodlow. In out in. Number 31, dribble. There's a whistle. Traveling by Lakan, committed by number 31. Number 23, dribble. Nangita ka pasan, pass to number 4. Guarded by number 6. There's a whistle committed by number 4. 4. Third team foul. First team foul. Highway. Sabi na ini. Not good. Ulagi lang kata ni Kobe. Bantan doon. Iyan ang yapon. Guarded by number 69. Pass to number 4. Number 4 dribbling. Pull up. Block by number 6. 5 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 4, 3, 2. Nakuha ni number 31. Number 31, dribbling the ball, guarded by number 4. Number 31, dribbling the ball, guarded by number 4. Wala gibati, bugat kay lawas pa ito. Good for 2 points. Number 31. Number 7, dribbling the ball, guarded by number 6. Pass to number 23. Number 23, dribbling the ball, guarded by Dodot. Dodot. Number 23. Ako lang kalami na sa natoy. What a move coming from number 23. Number 31, dribbling the ball. Ang score, 32-23, pabor sa Highway. Number 14, dribbling the ball. Dangita kapasan, 10 seconds to shoot. 9, 8, 7, not good. Rebound by number 6. Whoop. Stepping on the line. 7 minutes and 54 seconds remaining time for the second quarter. Number 23, dribbling the ball. Pass guarded by number 7. Number 23, pass to number 7. Number 7, nangita kapasahan. Pass to number 4. Number 4, pass to Tuason. Tuason, ako na lang. Good for 2 points. Number 12. Darade. 31-25, pabor sa highway. Number 31, dribbling the ball. Intercept by number 7. Nakuha Dudut. Dudut, ako na lang. Teardrop shot, good for 2 points. Number 7. 32-25, pabor sa highway. Number 15, pass to number 7. Number 7, kick ball. Bola sa highway. Bola sa highway. Number 31, dribbling the ball. 7 minutes and 15 seconds remaining time. Number 7, guarded by number 12. Back to number 69. Whoop! Is stepping on the line again. Tae. Ana si Coach Tyson. Whoop! Out of bounds. Pula sa Woodlawn. Pass to number 23, number 12, dribbling the ball, pass to number 7, number 7, controlling the ball, card, Lubas, intercept by number 2, there's a whistle, foul by number 7. 7 foul sa Woodlawn, 7. 13 foul, Woodlawn. Number 14, Bre Portrait, Potterin! Uy! Luksong baka na rin ni Bart. Board, hina ng board! Luksong bana. 37-25, basta trip! Number 12, pass to number 15. Ako na lang, but not good. Rebound by number 69. Number 69, nangitag kapasan. Pass to number 31. Number 31, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 7. Pass to number, intercept by number 7 kapon. Pass to number 15. Number 15, dribbling the ball. Nangitag kapasan. Pass to number 7. Number 7, whoop, whoop. Foul, number 69. Whoop, traveling Bayo. Lakang committed by number 14, dribbling the ball, guarded by number 4. Number 14, dribbling the ball, guarded by Tuason. Number 14, Pre, side step, pass to number 6. What a pass coming from Pre to number 6. Ang score, 39-25, pabor. Whoop, out of bounds, timeout. Woodlawn. Number 10, dribbling the ball. Pass to number, guarded by number 6. Number 10, nangitang kapasahan. Ako na lang. Whoop, there's a whistle. Foul by number 6. Foul, number 6. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Wood Highway. 5 minutes and 45 seconds remaining time. 10 seconds to shoot. 5, 4. What a shot coming from Kobe. 39-27, pabor sa highway. 5 minutes and 28 seconds remaining time. Thank you. Number 14, dribbling the ball, guarded by number 7. Pass to number 7 again. Potterin! And score! 42-27, pabor sa highway. 5 minutes and 10 seconds remaining time. Whoop, there's a whistle, foul by number 31. Second personal foul, penalty situation. Not good. Second throw, ready for rebound. Not good again. Rebound by number 6. Number 6, pass to number 31. Number 31, dribbling the ball. Guarded by number 10. Pass to Pre, kaya Ano sa ref? Out of bounds. Pula sa Woodlow. Number 7, dribbling the ball, guarded by Breve. Pass to number 10, Pitogo. Pass to number 5. Number 5, pass to number 23. Number 23, 15 seconds to shoot. Pull up jumper. Kobe na naman. Kobe.
Ngiguan naman tayo. Puro makikitsa ba?
1 for 2 points. Number 23, 42-29. Pabor sa highway. 4 minutes and 35 seconds remaining time. 12 seconds to shoot. Number 31, Portre. Potere na naman. 45-29. Pabor sa highway. 4 minutes and 23 seconds remaining time. Pitogo block by number 31. Substitution. In out in. Not in my home. Anak si number 31. Oh. Whoop. Whoop. Out, number 14. 12 seconds to shoot. Number Alagidaro na mo dapat. Block pa number 14. Pass to number 69. Number 69, gather the ball. Number 69, nakita ka pa saan pass to number 21. 15 seconds to shoot. 4 minutes na lang ang nabilihin sa second quarter. Pass to number 14. 10 seconds to shoot. Whoop! There's a whistle. 5. Foul. Number... Si foul. Correct. 5. Ay, Odlom. I mean. Pass to number 14. Ako na lang. Portre. Not good. Rebound by number 69. Ako na lang sad. But not good again. Number 23. Got the ball. Pass to number 10. Pitogo. Hala na. Outside against number 21. What a nice D coming from number 31. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Dudut. Aliyu pass. What a pass coming from number 7 to number 69. Number 10. Dribbling the ball. Number 10. Dribbling the ball. Guarded by number 6. Number 10. Sumabay ka ba? But not good. Rebound by number 23. Ala, Kobe na naman. But not good. Rebound by number 69. Number 69. Dribbling the ball. Guarded by number 10. Ang oras. 3 minutes and 15 seconds remaining time for the second quarter. Number 31. Dribbling the ball. 15 seconds. Why not? Yes. But not good. Here, go. Traveling violation committed by number 31, ankle breaker in his own feet. Number 10, dribbling the ball. Number 10, dribbling the ball. Gikoon, but not good. But number 23 is there, but not good again. Rebound by number 23. Number 23, ako na lang, not good. Naaso number 21. Doa si Dodot, patwa kabot, taas Robert.
Live from
Number 7, pass to number 25. Number 25, guarded by number 14. Number 25, guarded by number 6 again. Double team. Double team na. 15 seconds to shoot. Intercept by number 21. Pass to Dodot. Dodot. Not good. Rebound by number 14. Good for 2 points. Number 10. Dribbling. Oh, there's a whistle foul by Dodot. Number 7. Second personal foul. Substitution. Not good. Second throw. Ready for rebound. Second throw. Not good. Rebound by number 21. Number 21. Nakita ka saan. Guarded by number 10. Pass to number 14. Guarded by number 7. But not good. Block by number 23. But he secured the ball. And he scored. Number 10. Dribbling na kaboy. Good for 2 points. Pitubo. 51-31. Pabor sa highway. Number 14. Guarded by number 10. Pass to number 31. Number 31. Dribbling the ball. 16 seconds to shoot. 2 minutes na lang ang nabiliin sa second quarter. 12 seconds to shoot. Number 14. Portre. Not good. Rebound by number 23. Number 23. Dribbling the ball. Kobe. Kobe na naman. Good for 2 points. Number 23, 51-33. Pabor sa highway. 1 minute and 45 seconds remaining time for the second quarter. Number 22, dribbling the ball, guarded by number 7. Number 7, number 22, guarded by pass to number 31. 10 seconds to shoot. 1 minute and 35 seconds remaining time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. But not good. Rebound by number 22. Pull up jumper. Not good. Rebound by number 69. Iyan ang gabon, number 14. Secure the ball, 5 seconds to shoot. Intercept by number 23. Pass to number 7. Cook the part. Intercept by number 21. Number 21, dribbling the ball, guarded by number 10. Number 21, nakahunat, left and right, but not good. Rebound by number 6. Number 6, guarded by number 10. 30. Whoop! 3 seconds violation. Boom! Nabiliin sa second quarter. Number 25, pass to number 7. 4-3, Patrin! And score! 51-36 po. Pabor sa highway. 50 na lang ang nabilin sa oras sa second quarter. Number 21, pass to number 22. Number 22, dribbling the ball, guarded by number 7. Intercept by number 7. Number 7. 36 seconds remaining time for the second quarter. Number 7, pass to number 23. Out of bounds, pula sa highway. 32 seconds remaining time. 51-36, pabor sa highway. Number 14, dribbling the ball, pass to the pull-up jumper and score. 53-36, pabor sa highway. 21 seconds remaining time. Number 10, dribbling the ball, pass to number 7, back to number 7. Good for 2 points. Number 7, 16 seconds remaining time. Number 6, dribbling the ball. 10 seconds remaining time. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 5 seconds remaining time. Foul rep. Who's foul rep? Now. Good. Second row, ready for rebound. Good. 4, 3, 2, 1. End of second quarter ang score. 53-40 pabor sa highway. Number 7, dribbling the ball. Hit. But number 7, kauban na dahil apart. Number 7, pass to number 10. Number 10, pull up for 3. Not good. Rebound by number 23. Good for 2 points. Number 23. 42-53, pabor sa highway. 9 minutes and 40 seconds remaining time. Number 14, dribbling the ball. Guarded. Oy, di pa. Sayaw. 15 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot. 10. 9, 8, 7, not good. Rebound by number 69. 69, palalo ka doon. What a move coming from number 69. Number 10, dribbling the ball, guarded by Brebre. Number 10, dribbling the ball. Intercept by number 14. Number 14 na naman. Ako na lang, good for 2 points. Number 14. Number 7, pass to number 10, back to number 7. Number 7, pass to number 25. Number 25, dribbling the ball. Not good. Rebound by number 22. Number 22, dribbling the ball, pass to number 7. Dodot, dribbling the ball, pass to number 14. Kahawa na side. Wait, traveling violation. Kamausa na. Number 10, dribbling the ball. Number 10, dribbling the ball, pass. Ako, there's a whistle. Foul by number 22. Ang nakadungog, ang lamisa nagsig cellphone. Foul number 22. Foul. First team foul. Highway. First row. Not good. Oh, good eh. Good. Second row. Ready for rebound. Time out. Stop. Manera, dead ball. Number 22, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 14. Number 14, dribbling the ball. Guarded by number 10. Wait. Hapit pa biya. 12 seconds to shoot. Dodot for 3. Gilipyuhan pa. Pot si Ren. Number 10, dribbling the ball. Guarded by number 69. Guarded by Dodot. Takuan number 14. But number 10, iyan ang hapon. Number 10, nangita kung saan. Iyan lang gahapon. Number 10. Iyan lang gahapon. Pass to number 7. Now, whoop. There's a whistle. Traveling violation committed by number 10. Substitution. In at out in. Number 14, dribbling the ball. Prepare. Next game, Tapat versus Corredas. Number 14, dribbling the ball. 15 seconds to shoot. 8 minutes and 5 seconds remaining time for the third quarter. Dodot for 3, not good. Rebound by number 23. Number 23, Kobe, guarded by Pre. Wala! But not good. Rebound by number 15. Number 15, secure the ball. Pass to number 23. For 3. Not good again. Rebound by number 7. Akko na lang. But not good. Rebound by number 10. Pitogo. Not good again. Kuha ni number 10 lagi ang wagi hapon. 4 chances but they secured 2 points. They did not. Wait, number 2, break, goal for 2 points. Number 14, 62-43, Pabor sa highway. 7 minutes and 30 seconds remaining time. Number 10, Pitogo, intercept by Dodo. Nakuha ni number 23. Ako na lang. Puslan man. Number 23, step back, pull up, Kobe, not good. Rebound by number 22. Number 22, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 7. Guarded by number 63. Pass to number 69. Number 69, nangitag kapasahan. Pass to number 7. Kahawa na saan? But not good. Rebound by Dodo. Dodo for 3. Not good. Number 10, secure the ball. Number 10, guarded by number 69. Pass to number 7. Number 7, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 23. Good for 2 points. Number 23. Time out! Highway! 6 minutes and 53 seconds remaining time for the third quarter.
Adiara.
Number 31, dribbling the ball, guarded by number 7. 15 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot. 10, 9, 8, 7. Good for 2 points. Number 22, 64-46. 45, Pabor sa highway. 6 minutes and 30 seconds remaining to intercept by number 14. Pull up jumper. Puts it in and score. Intercept by Bre again. Number 14, dribbling the ball. Guarded by number 23. Pass to number 21. 15 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot. 10. Number 23, dribbling the ball. Ako lang. Grabe ay. Gikitawa to. Get right to left. What a move coming from Number 14, dribbling the ball, guarded by number 10. 12 seconds to shoot. Intercept by number 23. Ako na lang. Kobe again. Napulos ko ano? Pulos mga ace player. Number 7 for 3. Not good. Rebound by number 10. Up. Out of bounds. Bula sa. Woodlaw. Highway. Dribbling the ball. Ang score, 66-47, Pabor sa highway. 5 minutes and 33 seconds remaining time. 15 seconds to shoot. Muna ito. Number 14, dribbling the ball. 12 seconds to shoot. For 3. Airborne ang labas. Arubang pula. Gihapon nila. English. 5 seconds to shoot. Not good. Rebound by number 10. Pass to number 7. Naguna. Kahawan. Good for 2 points. Number 7. 66-49. Pabor sa highway. 5 minutes and 8 seconds remaining time in the third quarter. Number 21 dribbling the ball. Pass to Bre. Fake. Wala. What a pass. But not good. But good for 2 points. Number 69. Number 15, dribbling the number 10, dribbling the ball, guarded by number 21, intercept by Bre na naman, pass to number, what a pass coming from Bre to number 14. 4 minutes and 50 seconds remain. Arbang pula sa Woodlawn. Out of bounds pula, wait, Out of bounds lagi hapon. Shot clock 20. Pass to number 15. Number 15 guarded by number 14. Up na lang. Good for 2 points. Number 16. Number 22. Paso number 21. Out of bounds. Bula sa timeout kay daghang pang nangagi. Number 31, nangitag basahan, pass to number 14. Number 14, back to number 31. Number 31, iya lang gabon, pass to number 22. Iya lang gabon, out of bounds, Bula sa Woodlow. Woodlow. Number 25, pass to number 4. Number 4, nangitag basahan, pass to number 10. Wait, Hugo, dribbling the ball, guarded by number 2. Oh, there's a whistle foul by number 22. Warning for foul out. Third. Second team foul. Substitution. In out. High score 72-49. Pabor sa highway. Number 23, not good. Rebound by number 69. Number 69, secure the ball. Guarded by number 23. Pass to number 21. Number 21. Ala, katapok mo niya. Yeah, kurang lagi lunggo pagduaan part. Number 31, dribbling the ball. Way! Foul, number 14. Pila, 6. 14, foul, number 14. First personal foul. 13 foul. Highway. Number 23, dribbling the ball. Number 23, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 10. Pito go for 3. Put it in and score. 3 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. Break. Good for 2 points. Number 14. Number 10, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 25. Number 25, guarded by 69. Pass to number 23. Allow it to block by number 14. Di nakakausap part. Foul. Si foul rep number 6. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Highway. First throw. Good. Second throw. Ready for rebound. Prepare. Next game. Tapat versus Corridas. Not good. Rebound by number 21. Number 21. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Dribbling the ball. Tipo Manoy. Pass to number 14. Number 14. Dribbling the ball. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to number... Oy! Imo pra. Pra. Igot ang helmet. Number 4, pass to number 23. Number 23, pass to number 10. Pito go for 3. Pop set na saan. 56-74. Pabor sa highway. 3 minutes and 19 seconds remaining time. Number 14, dribbling the ball. Number 14, dribbling the ball. One boom. Kami pa but not good. Rebound by number... Whoop. Jump ball. Bola sa highway. Try na ito. Number 14, dribbling the ball. Guarded by number 10. Brave. There's a whistle committed by number 7. Walay counted. Second personal foul. First team foul. Woodlow. 3 minutes and 2 seconds remaining time for the third quarter. Number 21 dribbling the ball. Whoop. Foul. Number 7. Third personal foul. Second team foul. Woodlow. Substitution. Number 14 dribbling the ball. Number 14 dribbling the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Number 10 dribbling the ball. Number 10 dribbling the ball. Pass to number 12. Ako na lang but not good. Rebound by number 31. Number 31 dribbling the ball. Ang itag kapasahan kilabay ni number 14. Number 14. Hala up the bar. Tag-asag kaswayan ng buhay. Buang bagay na halwa. Number 10, dribbling the ball. Guarded by number 69. Akpo na lang sad. Number 69, paso number 14. Number 14, portrait. Not good. Rebound by number 14. Break, kahit naman lupa sa lamoy. There's a whistle, foul. Number 25. Warning for foul out. Third team foul. Woodlow. Substitution. In out, out in. Number 31, dribbling the ball, pass to number 69, back to number 31, Akko na lang. Good for 2 points, number 31. Number 21, dribbling the ball, pass to number 4. Number 4, dribbling the ball, guarded by number 2. Uy! Out of bounds, bola, sahod lang. Number 10, dribbling the ball, guarded by number 21. Nakita ko saan, paso, number 21. Out of bounds, bola sa Highway. Ang score, 78-57, pabor sa Highway. 2 minutes na lang ang nabilin sa third quarter. Number 14, pass to number 14 again. Brebre, dribbling the ball, pass to number 4. Wait! Who's foul, rep? Number 10, Pete Hugo. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Woodlow. Number 31, dribbling the ball. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 31, not good. Rebound by number 6. Good for 2 points. Number 6. Number 10, dribbling the ball. Foul, number 69. Third personal foul, penalty situation, substitution, in out in, penalty situation. First throw, good. First throw, good. First throw. Second throw, ready for rebound, good again. 59-80, pabor sa Highway. 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining time. Number 14, nakita ka pa saan? Pasok, 15 seconds to shoot. 10, 9, 8, wala move coming from break. 1 minute and 19 seconds remaining time. Intercept by number 31. Number 31, ang inilugay, iyalang niya. Oh, there's a whistle foul by number 21. Listen. First personal foul, penalty situation. Woodlow. First throw. Rebound. Second throw, ready for rebound. Second throw, ready for rebound. Not good again. Rebound by number 10. Pass to number 4. Number 4, dribbling the ball, guarded by Brebre. Number 4, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 12 for 3. Good for 12. Good for 3. Wala, hindi mo pag yun ay kahawan. 82-61. Pabot. 62. 84-62. Number 23, dribbling the ball. Nakita ko sa out of bounds, bola sa Highway. 45 seconds remaining time for the third quarter. Dodon dribbling the ball. Way behind the back. Number 14, dribbling the ball. 16 seconds to shoot. Break, guarded by number 12. 12 seconds to shoot. Break, kahawan. Ako na lang. Good for 2 points. Number 14. 86-62. Pabor sa Highway. 4-3. Not good. Rebound by number 7. Number 7 guarded by number 4. Number 7 pass to number 14. Break behind the back. Hala, ikijeli pa good but not good. Rebound by number 10. Number 10 pass to number 12. Number 12. Good for 2 points. Number 12. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. End of third quarter. Ang score, 86-64 pabor sa Highway. Prepare. Number 31, pass to number 14, guarded by number 7. Number 14, pass to Dodot. Dodot, batatan. Ribbon by number 10. Number 10, dribbling the ball. Enters A. Ang nagyabo number 4. Behind the back. Hasang kaupan. 1 eh. Number 4, nangida gawasan. Pass to number 10. Pete Togo. Ulog! Ulog! Isugang mo raw. Bola sa udlog.
Balik dayon, kateng siko.
Number 4, pass to number 7. Number 7, dribbling the ball, pass to number 10. Number 10, dribbling the ball, guarded by number 21, pass to number 7. Uy, ako na lang. Good for 2 points, number 7. Number 31, dribbling the ball, pass to number 14. Number 14, guarded by number 10. Hala, oy! Ka-smooth, ratoy. Smooth like butter. Number 14. Number 7, dribbling the ball, pass to number 14, break, dribbling the ball, intercept by number 7, iya lang hapon, uy! Foul, number 7. Pabali, ano ko naka-break? Foul, number 7. Intercept by number 4. Number 4, dribbling the ball. Nakita ka pasahan. Pass to number 7. Number 7, pass to number 7. Again, katakahan ba yung number 7? Intercept by number 7. Yapon. Number 7, dribbling the ball. Intercept by number 10. Number 10, dribbling the ball. Guarded by number 14. Intercept by number 14. Nasaan? Break again. Jelly again. Is it 2 points coming from number 14. 8 minutes and 53 seconds remaining time for the last quarter. Number 4, guarded by break. Number, ulay! Pinoy step! Kitang pante, but not good. Rebound by number 14. Number 14, nagyapon ang pasan. Number 14, dribbling the ball, guarded by number 4. Uy! Hasta siya, 1 eh. Uy, backcourt violation committed by break. Kanay suglanan. Munti kamay. So, ayan ng Francisco eh. Mahal ito magaluloan eh. Number 23, dribbling the ball. Guarded by number 7. Number 14. 15 seconds to shoot. For 3, not good. Rebound by Bitogo. Pass to number 23, number 23. Nakita ka masahan. 5 seconds to shoot. 3, 2, 1. Goal. But there's a whistle foul by number 14. Third personal foul. First team foul. Highway. First row. Good. 67-90 pabor sa Highway. Second row. Ready for rebound. Not good. Rebound by number 31. Number 31 guarded by Pitogo. Number 14. Whoop! Kick ball.
Balik dayon.
Kick ball. Violation committed by number 23. Bulak sa Highway. 8 minutes and 5 seconds remaining time for the last quarter. Prepare. Next game. Correas versus Tapat.
Anton.
Number 14, dribbling the ball, pass to number 7. Number 7, Dodot, but there's a whistle. Foul daan. Who's foul, ref? Number 10. Second personal foul. Second team. Number 7, dribbling the ball, pass to number 22. Number 22, dribbling the ball, guarded by Bitogo. 12 seconds to shoot. 10, 9. Not good again. Rebound by number 22. Number 22 dribbling the ball, pull up, not good. Rebound by number 23. Number 23 dribbling the ball. De La Serna. Good for 2 points. Number 23, number 21 dribbling the ball. Good for 2 points. Number 31. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Gilabay. Time out! Highway. Highway. Quarter. Number 31, dribbling the ball, guarded by number 7. Number 31, guarded by number 25. Pull up pass number 14. Good for 2 points. Number 14. 7 minutes and 15 seconds remaining time for the last quarter. Pitubo, guarded by number 26. Number 10. Number 10, dribbling the ball. Nakalusot kay left and right. Good for 2 points coming from number 10. Number 2. Wait, there's a whistle. What's that trip? What's that trip? Ana din labang dakpan jiwoking kakara. Ay pabatlong kal tulion karon. Number 22 dribbling the ball guarded by number 10. Number 22 pa intercept by number 7. Number 7 nga nagdali. Wala niya. But good for 2 points. Number 7. Hello? Harbang bola sa highway. Number 14. Number 14. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 21. Number 21. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 14. Number 14. 10 seconds to shoot. Good for 2 points. Number bola sa highway. 6 minutes and 38 seconds remaining time for the last quarter. 96-73 pabor sa highway. Number 21 dribbling the ball, pass to number 14. Gituyo, pass to number 22. Wait, up. Not good. Dribble by number 23. Number 23 dribbling the ball. Number 23. Open na naman. Good for 2 points. Number 23. Ito ka na nagpili. Wait. Hikap donggan. Ako mag-ingon. Number 22, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 14. Number 14, dribbling the ball. 12 seconds to shoot. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Not good. Rebound by number 23. Number 23, pull up jumper. Air ball. Number 23, dribbling the ball. Number 23, pass to number 7. Darade. God points. 2 points. Number 7. Number 14. Foul. Number 20. Substitution. Hit out. Not in. First personal foul, 30 foul. Number 21, dribbling the ball, 12 seconds to shoot. Halaka Hawat, good for 2 points, number 69. 98-77, pabor sa highway, 5 minutes and 38 seconds remaining time. Number 23, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 7. Number 7, pass to number 25. Number 25, good for 2 points. Number 25. 98-79, pabor sa highway. 5 minutes and 28 seconds remaining time. Number 14, dribbling the ball. Uy, nasango na, bukog. Number 10. Pass to number 7. Pass to number 10. What a save. Number 14, dribbling the ball. Good for 2 points. Number 14. Intercept. Naiya lang gihapon. Good. Not good. Rebound by number 25. Pass to number 7. Number 7, dribbling the ball. Good for 2 points. Number 7. Number 25, dribbling the ball. Number 25, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 23. Number 23. Guarded by number 31. Pull up. Not good. Rebound by number 69. Pass to number 14. Dribbling the ball. 4 minutes and 38 seconds remaining time for the last quarter. 15 seconds to shoot. Break for 3. Bucket. For 2. 103-81 pabor sa Highway. 4 minutes and 20 seconds remaining time. Brave for 3 again. Not good. Rebound by number 40. Oy, gilapay bertae, but not good. Rebound by number 6 for 3. Not good again. Rebound by number 31. Side. Pinoy step. Good for 2 points coming from number 31. Number 7. Gilapay ko apat. Nagbarog rin eh. Ay, barog. 181.
Oras.
Ang last score sa lahat sa last quarter. Next game. Reda. 1 second. Plus 23. 23. Number 4. Points now 3 minutes and 23 seconds remaining time. 107-81 pabor sa Highway. Number 7 for 3, not good. Rebound by 69. Number 69 pass to number good. Time out. Woodlow.